Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful hair dye, eye-catching hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. In low maintenance, ideas of hairstyling, messy hairstyles and spiky hairstyle. And a beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, and very beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And very attractive ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered, and some ideas step, undercut. And very beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.